Hey guys, welcome to Raj Makes Money Thanksgiving edition. Hope you guys had a great day in the market. Unfortunately, the Dow down a little bit today, S&P 500 up, and the Nasdaq comes back a little bit, 70 points. Was up more at some points, was down. The Dow, it's a crazy day, and this has been a very crazy week. But the good news is, winner, winner, chicken dinner. Raja made money again today. So keep that streak alive, especially into Friday this week, so we can hopefully have another successful week. So far for the week, we're doing terrific. I'm going to share with you guys how we're doing. But the very interesting fact, so normally 66% of the time in the stock market, this is an up week. So usually this is shortened holiday weeks, and usually shortened weeks altogether, holiday weeks usually do really well. And obviously that's what this is. But 66% of the time they're up, and usually on usually on Fridays, they're always up. I mean, usually by like 85, 90%. It's crazy. Everything should be up and stuff. But it's been a crazy week. We got these inflation fears. We have Biden reappointing Powell, which I think I think Powell did a good job. Our markets are doing well, and I find it hard to believe that rates and some of these little minor changes. Companies are making billions of dollars. 1% either direction shouldn't really affect it, because people are paying, what is Tesla? 700 times multiple? What the heck is 1%? What, like 700 multiple versus 698? Doesn't make a difference. It's crazy the way people think and react to this stuff. But the good news is, ladies and gentlemen, up $227,000 today. So another terrific day. Thank you, Lucid. What am I thankful for this Thanksgiving? Lucid. And of course, my family, friends, and everybody else being healthy, and lots of jackpots. But I am very thankful this year for Lucid. I mean, I would be up $6-7 million on Lucid right now if it wasn't for those freaking meme stocks and also some of my hedges on Lucid. But everything's working out well. As you can see, I didn't make any trades today. I did get a little bit worried today. Lucid dipped below 50 again. And I'm getting a little concerned for next week. Now, I anticipate Friday, Lucid, and at one point today, Lucid went all the way up. I couldn't believe it. It was actually up like $1. It was 53.50. I was like, oh my God, this thing's about to take off. But it's fine. I'd rather it stay a little closer to the 52, because obviously the higher it goes, the more risk next week if we roll these out and stuff. And I did the other day, I rolled down a couple 400 contracts just to kind of hedge it a little bit. Not hedge it, but, just to take a little risk off the table. So the interesting thing, and, hopefully for Friday, so Friday's a shortened trading day. It's only from, 7:30 to 11 o'clock my time, depending on where you live. But basically, it's only a 3.5 hour day. So we got 3.5 hours left. If Lucid stays above $52, I got another $150,000 left in the kitty, or as I like to say, the progressive jackpot there, and we could have another $400,000 week. What does all this mean? Not a whole lot, but actually what it all does mean, as of right now, we are up for the year 42%. So we are outdoing the Dow, the Nasdaq, the S&P 500, and of course, Cathy Woods. Now, I'm concerned about Cathy Woods. You guys may wonder why, and we've talked about this. Like I said, she was a high flyer and everything, but this is starting to I think she's losing it, and I'm worried about her now. Best trades on CNBC Wednesday was Cathy Wood on Bitcoin, Zoom video, and Tesla. So outside of Tesla, they're all pretty much in the crapper. And also, let's talk about Tesla. So yesterday when I was like, why would Tesla just was up and then also just drops 80 points? Well, Elon Musk sold another $1 billion of stock, but he forgot to tell everyone. So that was that big drop, I guess, we saw, and it's recovered somewhat. But yes, as Cathy Wood says, her firm is testing a more aggressive strategy that would be ARK on steroids. Cathy Wood should just test something that is going to keep her... oh, wow, we got an Amber Alert in the middle of the show. Cathy Woods should just test something that is going to get her back to even for the year. I mean, she's getting slaughtered. And you know what happens when you get slaughtered and you start losing money and people start losing faith in you? They stop investing in your fund, and then you get hit worse. The only thing really saving Cathy Woods this year is Tesla. If she didn't have Tesla that's up, 1,100%, I don't know where she would be this year. But I mean, look at these figures, guys. This is bad. Year to date, she's down 13%. For 1 year, she's at 1%. If her stock goes down another dollar, she's not even going to make any money for the entire year. So I'm getting worried about her. I don't know what to do with her. What do we But Wall Street keeps talking about her. But look at this stuff. So she also said, I like this one. Cathy Wood expects her funds to quadruple over the next 5 years. How? I mean, the only way her fund could quadruple is if, and this is one thing I am shocked we haven't seen yet, and that is Elon Musk. You know what I'm shocked we haven't seen yet by Elon Musk and Tesla is, last time he had that stock split, it was like $500 a share, and he did the, 4 for 1 or 5 for 1, whatever it was, and it ran to, $2,000, $2,500 before the split, and, split, and obviously now it'd be like $5,000 a share, some insane amount. But I'm concerned. I'm not concerned, but the only thing I think that could save her and actually get her anywhere even up 10 or 20% in the future year. And I'm shocked this guy hasn't done this yet, especially selling stock, and it was crazy anyways. Why isn't he? Where's our 10-for-1 stock split? This thing's $1,100 a share. Let's have a 10-for-1 stock split. I'll probably go to $500 again. This will be 10-for-1 at $500. This will be like the equivalent of $5,000 a share, and it's at 364 PE. We'll go back up to 2,000 PE because people are idiots and they just want to buy this stuff. I don't know. It doesn't make any sense. But you know what? I was looking, and I was, you want a long shot. And this may be the play. So I think Tesla's going to stay somewhere around $1,000. There's really no news that's going to tank it. It doesn't matter if the world shuts down; he's still going to make cars. But I think this could be the play: is go out on a leap call, and find something that's decently priced because everything is very, very expensive. But let's say we go all the way out here. All the way out because he'll do something drastic. You know how this guy operates. And let's do all. And what is the highest strike price even available right now? I don't know. I don't even know what this. Oh my God, 30, all the way from $100. So we gotta go to the highest strike price available, way out here. Like I don't know, like $2,000. Let's go to 2,000. All right, so that'd be $900. We got a year. Oh no, that's only 58 days to go. Wow, that's still $5. Who the heck thinks that's gonna happen? So I went. Unfortunately, I went to the wrong one. We got to go all the way out a leap, which is so leaps are years. So let's go all the way out to January 20th. There we go. We'll show all. This is the one we want. All right. So take a look at this. Let's go all the way out here to the $2,000 strike price, and wow, even that one's $100 for the call. But here's my thinking: if he does a 10-for-1 stock split and this thing goes to $5,000, well, I have to do the math here. So if he did a 10-for-1 stock split and it went to 500, that'd be 5 times what is that now? So it'd be about $5,000. So basically, if you bought this for $100 and he did a 5-for-1 stock split and the stock got back up to like $500, this would be $5,000. Your $100 would be worth $3,000. So even if you bought, if you bought one contract at $112, wow, what would that be like? $100,000 for a contract? I don't know. It's insane. I can't even do the math, but I don't know. This could be the long shot of the year to buy a contract. I can't. What the math is. I'm so used to buying like with 112 times it'd be $12,000, right? $12,000. So if you bought this for $12,000 and he does a 10-for-1 stock split, stock goes up to $500. This would be worth $3,000. Be worth basically about $3,000. Well, maybe even more because there'd be a premium and everything else. Plus, you could also hedge this every, even like for next month, it's still $5, so you could get $5 out of this. So for the next 12 months, every month you could sell against this call to hedge it, unless you don't want to get caught with your pants down. But my whole point is this could be the best play. You could invest $12,000 and it could be worth $12,000 could be worth $300,000. Is that right? I don't know. 30,000. somewhere in there. I don't know. You make 5 times your money. Who knows? But this could be a good play. I don't know. So maybe that's what Cathy Woods is talking about with her steroids. Who knows? I don't get it. Makes no sense to me. But Tesla had a up day today. Like I said, Lucid, a good day today. So we're doing good on Lucid. And let's take a look at some other Cathy Woods' other good ones. Zoom up a little bit more today. So saving her. How about Square, SQ? We haven't seen that one in a while. That one up today. So a lot of your, like I said, a little tech bounce back. Apple was up a little bit today, but not on fire. I guess the talk of the cars. And that was also interesting that Apple, turned down Tesla to buy them for a while there. They could have done that, but they didn't. Cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, coming down or up from its lows, I guess, looking good. Our Shiba shit just keeps shit in the bed, all the way down now. Look at this, guys, to $119,000. Shiba coin down another 8% to 3.7 from a high of 8.9. Cardano down to $1.66, and Luminous down to 33 cents. What's going on? Where are all my ballers? Where are all my people who told me about the Shiba coin and how great it was? Come on, guys. What's going on here? You guys told me this was the future, the best. But that's what I got for you guys. Let's see what you guys have for me today. All right. Crazy Carl in the house. Finally made some money this week. I had 500 shares at $10. Sold them for $42. LGBN. I'm going out tonight to eat good. Well, Crazy Carl, I hope you had 500 shares, not chairs, because you better not be sitting down on the job. You better be packing up some Eco Pumps, ecopump.net for Crazy Carl, and selling them this holiday season. A riff. I have 25,000 shares of Lucid, average price $19, selling deep covered calls weekly and collecting a lot of premium. What do you think? I think it's terrific. If it's working and you keep selling calls and collecting some money, so Lucid's going to be interesting. You guys obviously know, I've been watching it, and it dips down, it runs, and it hits its balancing act, but it definitely seems to have some staying power above $50. I'm kind of shocked. If you look at the chart and where it's kind of been, and Lucid goes in like these, like here it is October 28th to November 1st, or it goes in like these things. But it was kind of like for the last month since November 16th, it's sitting in this area, and that's a really good sign when something actually does that for about 2 weeks. And our earnings are out. I think I love the article somebody said. They said Lucid was expected to lose 26 cents a share. Instead, it lost 42 cents, and it went up, 100%. It went up to 27% that day. So what you expect to happen in a company, totally opposite. Biden should be pushing through or finalizing, his Save the World bill. So that's, nothing but good news for Lucid. So like I said, it's mind-blowing. How is Lucid worth more than Ford Motor Company? I don't know. I also know that next week I definitely don't want to be riding, I'll definitely don't, on Friday, we'll hopefully it's above it. We can collect another, I don't know what we have. collect some more money here. Collect another 154,000 or somewhere in there. Have another $400,000 week. But I will probably look at like 48s. 49s for $1.50, $2. And I probably won't write all of it. I'll save some for Monday. But usually it's holiday rally season. So I don't know how much higher this stuff can go, but hopefully it can maintain and stay somewhat where it is. Tracy D, thanks for watching, everyone. Hit that thumbs up. Raja, thank you, Tracy D, and thank you, Tracy and Brian Sanders, the Mod Squad in the house. Justin, woohoo, congratulations for the great week and happy Thanksgiving. And happy Thanksgiving to all of you. Thank you, Justin. Ashton says, love you, Big Raja. Keep the faith. You'll continue to hit big. Thank you so much. Let's see. Silver Springs, Raja, what about Long Everon? Don't know anything about that. So let me know what your question is or what I should be looking at there. Happy Thanksgiving to everyone, and thanks for watching. Tracy D, happy Thanksgiving. Dayton Jacobson, a look at Sark. Well, normally, guys, when you ask me to look at something, let me know what I'm looking at and why, just because I have no clue about this stuff, but we'll take a quick look at it. And Collaborative Investment Series Trust Capital Short Innovation ETF. Couldn't tell you anything. 52-week range, $30 to $35. I don't know. That definitely doesn't move. Is this a new? Oh, it's a new one. Just started. It looks like so. Don't know anything about this one. Couldn't really honestly tell you what I'm looking at. Ashton, analyst just upgraded Tesla to $1,400 per share. They just keep upgrading it. So at some point, somebody's going to downgrade it. Mahadi says PLTR is green today. That's a first. That one's just been getting hammered. But I mean, I think it's worth 20, 21 bucks. It should sit around. So that's good. Casey, thanks for all you do. Throw $1,000 at Keno for old times. Good fortune over the holiday season. I used to play Keno back in the day. It's always been fun and stuff. There's Matthew. What's up, Raja? I've been hunting and traveling. I was wondering where you've been. Been busy? You've been hunting for something? You've been... I won't say that. It's too dirty of a joke. No. Been busy. Congrats on the market and happy Thanksgiving. You sell options pretty much right. I've been doing that and been steadily making gains lately. Terrific. So I'm selling puts to open, which and if you guys so basically and just so clarify, you have calls and you have puts. This is for all the newbies, for all of my experienced traders out there. You're gonna be like, we know this. Why are you telling us? But there's calls and puts. A call is when you're betting on the stock going up. A put is when you're betting on the stock going down. It's just like the craps table. You can bet on every single thing, good or bad, 7 in, 7 out, however you want to do it. You can bet on everything in the option market. So if you own stock and you want to create revenue from owning your stock and you want to have something, and the reason that these like options and a lot of people do this is because let's say you've owned a stock for a long, long time. Let's say you own Tesla. Let's say you own Tesla when it was $100 a share. Now it's $1,100 a share. But if you take the gains, you would owe taxes until you sell the stock. You don't have to really pay taxes. So you don't want to sell the stock because you don't want the tax liability, and also maybe you don't know what else to buy or you think it's going to keep going up. Well, to generate revenue, you can sell calls against it. So let's say Tesla's $1,100. You go sell the $1,200 call for next Friday and it pays $10 and you had 100 shares. You have to have at least 100 shares to do one contract. Excuse me. You had 100 shares of Tesla, let's say, and it's $10. Oh my God. For the contract, you get $100,000, you get $10,000 and you keep that money. If Tesla next week is $11.99 or less, you keep that $10,000. If Tesla is $1,300, you get $10, and you lost out on $90 of upside. So you have to kind of pick an area where you don't think Tesla will go past, but you can always buy it back, roll it out, and just hold on to it forever. Now, what I'm doing is selling puts to open. So I am betting, for example, on Lucid, these $50 puts. I have 400 of them, so that's 40,000 shares. So right now I have 2,100 contracts, that's 210,000 shares of stock. So on this particular one, I have 400 contracts outstanding. When I sold it, I got $41,000 in total. So far, I've made $30,000. I have 11,000 more to go until they expire on Friday at closing time. Or if Lucid went down to $49, this 28 cents that it's worth today would go to $1 on Friday, and I would lose money on this position. Or two things happen now. So one, you can let the stock get put to you. So this is this is normally a move if you want to acquire stock. Now, me personally, I'm not looking to acquire 210,000 shares of Lucid today, tomorrow, or anytime soon. But I have let stock get put to me, and I'm also not afraid of that. And then you hope it runs the next day and you sell it, or you could change your strategy. But But this is basically I'm saying I'm betting on the fact that Lucid's going to be above $50 on Friday and $52. So hopefully it is, and it'll be another great week. Like I said, but if it drops, or like today, for example, finished the day up 227,000. At one point today, I was down 120,000 when Lucid went all the way down to $49. So at one point today, Lucid went to like 49.80. 49.83, and I was like, oh God, not again. We have to go through this every day with Lucid. But I came back and worked out good for me. So just to make sure everyone knows what I'm talking about. Okay, look at SARK. It's a stock that shorts ARK. All right, SARK. All right, so that's shorting. So it's a brand new one, shorting ARK. So it looks like it's doing good from when it started. It'll definitely be interesting how that one goes. Can't believe they started one that's shorter. That's pretty funny. Yeah, I mean, the only thing she has that's going to make hers move is is Tesla. Tesla's her big one. If Tesla goes down 10-20%, she is in some big trouble. If Tesla goes up 10-20%, it's definitely going to help her, but she needs some other stuff to keep moving. And Make Money says happy Thanksgiving, Raja, and Jackpot Jackie and family. Thank you so much. John, MMAT 4.2 after hours today. I'm expecting 20% increase by year end when all retail investors get their dividend from Oran Grande land sales in Texas. So you hopefully it works out. Congratulations. I hope you make some money. Crazy Carl, you should have stayed on that Piggies last night. That's how much money I want today. So if you guys were watching me on that Piggies last night, that was about the only one that I had problems with. And last night, after hours, I went and played Black Widow until 4 a.m. And I destroyed it. If you guys checked out my Snapchat or some of my stuff, but I did very, very well. Everything I lost on Piggies, I made well back double that. But also, I don't know if you were watching the Piggies, so I was betting, $50 and then $100 a spin. There was an older guy there in a wheelchair, had a guy helping him actually put money in the machine, and I mean, the guy was, I don't know, 70 or 80 years old. I felt bad. He was, like this, and he was like hitting the machine. And so he went over there randomly, does a $250 spin. It was his first or second spin, and he hit that pig machine for $20,750 or something. So 20,000 something. But yeah, got a great bonus. So he did okay. And then and he was hitting jackpots all over the high limit rooms. So never seen the guy before, but definitely playing some big bets up there last night. Anissa, happy Thanksgiving, Raja. So happy you, another person to share your table and family with this year. It's good to see you happy. I'm thankful for that. Well, thank you, Anissa, and hope all is well for you and your family. Super Squirrel, my son is here and he's been doing well with Mama in the crypto arena. What's your thoughts? I don't know anything about that one. Is it a crypto or a stock? I have no idea, Super Squirrel, what that is. But if he's doing good in it, congratulations, and make sure he doesn't listen to the advice of all my Shiba astronauts out there. they're always incorrect. Tracy D says Snapchat was lit last night. Thank you, Ren Slots, for the thumbs up and good luck. But hey guys, I want to just wish everyone a happy Thanksgiving, and the good news is you won't see me tomorrow for the stock market because they're closed, but live play. The boys are going over to their grandparents' house. Jackie's parents went to Chicago because unfortunately they have a family member not doing well who hopefully survives Thanksgiving. But so her parents went there. So last minute plan to change. I'm going to the casino for Thanksgiving again, and they're cooking. I said, "What are you guys making at the and the Chop House, which is amazing up there at the Monarch?" I said, "What are you guys making?" They said, "Turduncan," which is a turkey, a chicken, and a duck, all in one. Turduncan. So I think it's a chicken, turkey, duck, and I don't know. It's a turkey and a duck, and I think it's a chicken. I don't know. Some other piece of meat's in there, but so they have a nice meal there. So look for some early live play around 4 or 5 o'clock Mountain Standard Time tomorrow, and then I'm gonna eat dinner, and then we'll have like 7:30 Mountain Standard Time live on YouTube, and then some more Facebook after that. Also, the new high limit cash Dragon Cash is ready to go, up to 250 a spin there, and that's Autumn Moon, which is my favorite one of all of them, and the new high limit Sahara's Gold is ready to go and turned on today. So. A couple of new high limit games. Hopefully we can even get on them, but new stuff to play. So it should be exciting. So we'll have live big jackpot slot play tomorrow for Thanksgiving. And then, of course, Friday, more Raja Makes Money. Next week, unfortunately, I'll be in Vegas Monday and Tuesday at the Cosmos. So I will be posting, of course, no matter what, wherever I am in the world, Patreon members. And thank you guys for all your support. You get all my trades in real time as they happen. So you want to make sure you pay attention to that. And... but no show on Monday and Tuesday. Wednesday when I get back from Vegas, hopefully I'll have a show. Thursday, I possibly will do an early show, right when the market closes. And then I'm off to Foxwoods, and I'm in Connecticut Friday and Saturday, coming back Sunday. So busy week, and then the week after that, I'm home for that week, live play by Tuesday, and then I'm gone for the week for Jackie's birthday bash cruise for everybody with the big jackpot. So a lot of travel this month. So you got to make sure when I'm live you catch these shows, and you know what I'm trying to say. Make sure you have those bells clicked. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you subscribe. If you're watching on Facebook, make sure you follow me, but have those notification bells clicked so you know where we go live. But hey guys, I want to wish everyone a happy Thanksgiving. I hope you guys have all been doing great in the markets this year. I hope you continue to do great. If you aren't doing great, I hope you turn around and do great. I am a living proof that you can turn it around at any time and fire right back out and come through strong. So with all that, have a great Thanksgiving, and I'll see some of you guys tomorrow for live play. Otherwise, I'll see the rest of you guys Friday afternoon for Raja Makes Money. Take care and have a great